Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome shake zoom sort of like effect, like animation on a CapCut PC. Just going to separate these into smaller clips like that, and then again here. Okay, so you are going to go to the effects button and you're going to go, actually no, we have to zoom in first. So go to basic and add a keyframe here and then a keyframe here, and then zoom in to your videos like so. Just kind of like preview it. If it's too far apart, you can move the keyframe closer together because we want a faster zoom. Then go to video effects and go to nightclub and add in the rebound swing one, but only add it to the beginning of the video. Then you're going to want to adjust the strength and the size. You want to make it smaller, and you're just going to adjust it as you go, but this is what works for me. Like this is what works for me. And you're going to do that to all of it. You can also like try to like zoom out after it and position it back if you'd like to, like that. But if you don't, you can just like leave it. Then to add in kind of the flash, go to the library and add in the white background, or you can choose any color that you want to create the flash. I'm just going to use this kind of purple one. Then I'm going to add in a keyframe here on the blend mode, and then in the middle I'm going to add another one, and at the end I'm going to turn it to 0%. And also at the beginning I'm going to turn it to 0% and make sure the blend mode is add an overlay. And this is what it should look like. I don't like it with the zoom out, so I'm just going to delete the keyframe. And you're just going to apply it to all of your videos. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!